The gynecologist at the hospital taught me this trick, and now I only take care of my underwear in this way. I will show you how to do it today so that you can wash your underwear and that of your entire family. With this trick, you can prevent burns, fungi, and infections in the intimate area. It is important to wash your underwear correctly. Since we do it this way, we have not visited the doctor again for underwear infections, and the best thing is that it is a very easy and economical way that saves you a lot of money in medicine from the first time you do this powerful remedy. So join me until the end and I will show you how to wash your underwear. To start, we will add 1 liter of water in a saucepan and let it boil for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes and after letting it cool, transfer the water to a container in which you will place the underwear to treat. We put and soak the underwear to treat. Once the clothes are wet, we will add a good amount of sodium bicarbonate. You can add the amount you prefer. Then we also add 4 tablespoons of vinegar, and then we add 2 tablespoons of salt. You can use the vinegar of your choice, like apple vinegar, which can help balance the vaginal pH. Remove the clothes well in warm water to disinfect with the ingredients. With this trick, fungi, burns, and bacteria will no longer be a problem. The greeting of today's recipe is for Rafael Montero, who sees us from Chile. Remember, it is very important that you write to us from which country you follow us to be able to greet you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching and sharing our videos. You must move the clothes in the water for at least 5 minutes, as we are doing, and wash your clothes in the traditional way. With this method, we leave the clothes scented and clean, but bacteria and fungi are not always completely eliminated with traditional detergents. With this trick, you will have clean and free of bacteria clothes. Hot water with bicarbonate and salt softens the fabrics, which facilitates their cleaning in the underwear and helps to eliminate germs and bacteria, since at higher temperatures, disinfection and cleaning. Once well washed, we squeeze and then wash in the traditional way and live a life free of infections and fungi. Do this advice always before each wash. The tips we give you here are complementary to your health. Always remember to visit your head doctor. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our next tips.